Lisa's credit card balance had grown by $300 this month. Again. She stared at the statement, scrolling through charges she barely remembered making. She wasn't overspending on anything crazy, no big purchases, just everything a little bit all the time. So she opened Notion and decided to track every single dollar until she found the leak. First, a new database. She called it Budget Tracker. The first property, category, rent, food, transport, subscriptions, other. Next, amount, a simple number field formatted as currency. Then date, so she could see exactly when the money left. Then type, fixed or variable. Rent doesn't change, coffee does. And here's where it got interesting. A formula field calculating her running total against her card limit. She started logging. Rent, $1,200, fixed. Subscriptions, $45, variable. Takeout, $60, variable. Coffee, $32, variable. The formula updated instantly, and there it was. Almost $200 a month just on things she barely noticed buying. She switched to a board view, grouped by type. Suddenly, variable expenses looked like a wall compared to fixed. Then a calendar view, and the pattern was obvious. Every single day, something small. Lisa didn't need to spend less, she needed to see it. If you've ever looked at your bank statement and thought, where did that go? This system is for you. Next episode, Lisa tackles something even harder, her savings goal.